So it's come to my attention that I haven't posted on YouTube since I started streaming, so here's a clip of all my stupid, out of context moments. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Why?
You're gay.
Paimon thinks this is a perfectly safe place to stop. Where did these scorpions come from?
Oh my god. This is like the safest place to stop.
Orders given. Orders received. Go.
Hee 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 hee. Ha 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 ha. Ah ha ah ha ha ha. Whoa. Shut up! How do you spit? Give that plant some water from my mouth. Get those rock screamers off the You are coming up with terrible names for my feet. Ah! They're surrounding me! Ah! This is weird! Get away from me! Ah! What? Her dad left her for the milk. No, he didn't. It's just a... Oh, fuck.
All of his co-workers were gone. What could it be?
I mean, I would be a bottom for Becky, but...
Stay still.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I like femboys. It just looks like it would be like perfectly fit into my mouth. If you internal bitterness. What the fuck? Baka?
What is going on with you?
I like men! What the fuck is wrong with you? Kururing.
You.
Huh?
Huh?
Pew, pew, pew. Yay! Wow! 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 They will stream on when. No! Ha! You get mental help. No! No, I don't get mental help. I don't need mental. What are you talking about? I'm a little baby. Ah! When I'm sleepy, I'm a dumbass. Around the world, around. That's right. Don't call me mommy. Call me daddy.
Playing along, you too
Yeah, dude.
will become quite unbearable.
Quite a. Ew! Yes.
Will become quite unbearable.
Yes. You're a bitch. Ha 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 ha. I'm a alpha. I'm angry. Put me on a leash. No! I'm a mean, evil alpha. What the fuck? Grr, I angy. Don't talk to me. I hit you. Now bite. What? I'm the ruler. I'm the alpha. I want the nuts. Give me the nuts. If Obai say you're weird, you're weird. Yeah, bro. If I say you're weird, you're weird. That's just the law. Whatever I say goes. What? Man, fuck you. Me feeling.
Alright then. You can do it by yourself.
No! I messed up.
It's incredible he wasn't 5 years ago.
Can I?
Look, Stan.
Oh! Yuri's boobs are the same as they always were. Big and beautiful.
You can learn it. What the fuck?
America's got come.
Every decision by yourself. I'm not asking for me. I'm asking for her.
Oh my god! I almost. Oh my god! I can't
This is it,
control myself.
Stanley.
Girl, you're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah. I'm not a dog, bro. Yeah, you're a bunny. Ribbit. Wait, what did I say? That's not fair. Did you just tell me to shh? Yo. I never said anything that specific. Come on. Me. Oh my god, I think I'm in love.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Sometimes the law is compatible with human nature, but sometimes the two conflict. Balancing the two is a discipline in its own right.
I love how she just bursts open the door and she's like, it's like, I'm here to save you. But first let me tell you about the law. What the hell? Jit trippin'!
So I'm supposed to make like an intro or something, right? It has come to my... How do you do YouTube intros?